Alright, today I'm going to show you a recipe, one of my favorites for venison roast. This is the good old football roast. I believe it's really sirloin, but there again, I could care less what they call it. It comes off the hind quarter. And like I said, most people call it football roast or sirloin, whatever. So we're going to do this in the slow cooker. And to start, got it trimmed up pretty good. Still a little silver skin on there. Let me get a knife and I'll get that off. You want to minimize as much silver skin. Even this will come out super tender. You still want to minimize the silver skin because it's tough and it does not taste good. Now you can make this with the spices and stuff that you like. You don't have to necessarily do it my way. Okay, that's most of it. So, we'll take our roast, put it in a crock over here. Here's what I like to do. I'll take some garlic salt or garlic powder, just a little bit. Turn your roast around. Keep turning your roast around. And take some onion powder. Yep. And you can use chopped onions in here. You can use, well, not this recipe. You wouldn't want potatoes or carrots. Now, I thought I had 2 cans of cream mushroom, but I don't. I have 1 can. And, oh, get out of there. There you go. And a can of cream of celery, which will work too. Don't need that in there. But you need 2 cans for this recipe. Yeah. Okay, there we go. We'll need a little water. Let me get a little bit of water. I use a can of water. Pour in there. I'll add some salt and pepper before I get done. And then I'm going to take some Lipton onion soup mix. This is the beef. Beef. We'll pour it in there. And we'll just kind of stir it around a little bit. That's not important. It will. I just want some water on that soup mix on top. Go ahead and coat your roast in that. And there you go. Now, I'll put this in the crock. We'll let it go for about 4 or 5 hours on high. And this should be just like super tender when it gets done. And I'll bring you back when I pull it out. Okay, in about 5 hours, you see our roast shriveled up a little bit. That's okay. That's what it's supposed to do. I don't know if you can see that or not. That's just like totally awesome. Tender, tender, tender. Should have got a fork. Look at all that rich gravy right there, and that's what we're looking for. I added a little Worcestershire sauce earlier, and like I said, you can have this over rice or egg noodles, toast, whatever. Tonight I thought I had egg noodles. I don't, so we're having it over rice. still there. Look at that. That's what you want to see right there. That's how it's falling apart. Ooh, can't hold on to it so slow. And that's all you're going to do. Just kind of chunk it up a little bit in the sauce there. Some kind of good. Get it. Look at that. Just kind of break it all up. Just kind of like pulling pork for pulled pork, which that would probably make it pretty good too. Okay. All them chunks broke down a little bit. Yes, sir. Now get you. That's pretty thick gravy too there, right there. A couple big old slices of venison there. Just, you ain't gonna beat that. So that's a really quick, it's easy. Quick as in probably didn't take probably 15 minutes to get all this together at first. Left it on high for 4.5, 5 hours. You come back to that right there. Yes, sir. But anyway, y'all, 918 Outdoor Adventures. Check us out on the blog, 918 Outdoors. Now I gotta go make this disappear.